Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Design Studio. Today I want to show you how to create your first animation using Adobe Character using an external audio to sync your animation. So without talking and recording at the same time, you can use an external audio. So let me show you. Let's create a new project. We're gonna call it audio project. Okay. So I will save it. And the first thing I want to do is to add my puppet. So I will choose the fully one. So I have my puppet add in my scene. And now I want to add my audio file. So I go to import and I choose my audio file. I previously recorded. So my audio file is here now. So I will just drag and drop here in the timeline. And now, as you see, my puppet is present all along here without my audio. My audio is not too long, so I will just drag the timeline here to make sure my puppet fit with the audio scene. And another thing I can do here is to set enable work area and set work area to the selection. So so let's leave that first. Okay, and now when I have my audio and my puppet, I will just go to the timeline, select my footage, make sure the lip sync is on, and go to the timeline and say compute lip sync take from send audio. So my Adobe Character will do all the work for me. And as you see now, my puppet can speak. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to show you with this tutorial. You see how it's easy, and what you have to do is just to export your work as a video via Adobe Media Encoder. So that's what I want to show you. If you export your file, you will have the same result as you see here. Hello so everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Your puppet I want to show you with talking. This tutorial how to create your first animation in Adobe. And what you can do also is to manage here and change what kind of action or event your puppet will do if maybe the mouth is not like you want. So you can change, you can reset everything here. So thank you for watching and see you next time for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell notification to get the new video as soon as I publish it. My name is Yannick Edae. I'm a US designer. Thank you.